ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ವಿವಾ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಇದು ಸುದ್ದಿಗಳ ಡಬ್ಬಿ. ಮೂಡ ಪ್ರಕರಣ ಮುಂದಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಂಡು ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಸರ್ಕಾರವನ್ನು ಅಸ್ಥಿರಗೊಳಿಸಬೇಕೆಂದು ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಜೆಡಿಎಸ್ ನಡೆಸಿದ ಯತ್ನ ವಿಫಲವಾಗಿದೆ. ಪ್ರತಿಪಕ್ಷಗಳ ಪಿತೂರಿ ಬಯಲಾಗಿದೆ ಎಂದು ಎಐಸಿಸಿ ಪ್ರಧಾನ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿ, ರಾಜ್ಯ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಉಸ್ತುವಾರಿ ಸುರ್ಜೇವಾಲಾ ನವದೆಹಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಡಿ ತನಿಖೆಯನ್ನು ವಜಾ ಮಾಡಿ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ನೀಡಿರುವ ಆದೇಶವನ್ನು ಉಲ್ಲೇಖಿಸಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ ಅವರು, ಇದರಿಂದ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಅವರ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ವರ್ಚಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಧಕ್ಕೆ ತರುವ ಯತ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಹಿನ್ನಡೆಯಾಗಿದೆ ಎಂದರು.
ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ensured lodging of a false complaint over Mudda, Mysore Urban Development Authority, against wife of Chief Minister Shri Siddaramaiah. The Governor's office was misused to grant sanction for prosecution, and the court told Karnataka Lok Ayukta, appointed by the previous government, to investigate the entire matter. Lok Ayukta police has investigated the matter and filed a closure report. BJP then used this FIR to lodge an ED case against Shri Siddaramaiah. The High Court of Karnataka quashed the ED summons to wife of Shri Siddaramaiah as also to a cabinet minister and proved that BJP was persecuting and hounding Congress governments. The ED, the election department, and BJP partnership didn't end. They challenged that order of the Karnataka High Court. The ED challenged it in the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court's stinging observations regarding a political game being played to settle scores through ED is an indictment of the Modi government and an honor of the truth. The case of the ED against Shri Siddaramaiah's wife, as also a cabinet minister of Karnataka, has again been quashed. Another case was also instituted in the High Court to transfer the investigation to CBI. The Karnataka High Court has quashed that also. So the entire propaganda of the Modi government to destabilize Karnataka government, to hound Shri Siddaramaiah, to hound Shrimati Siddaramaiah, to hound our cabinet ministers, now stands demolished and completely it has fallen to the ground. It proves truth has won, and BJP's fake and false propaganda and BJP's partnership with ED has fallen flat.